Estimates and specifications are generated automatically from the project tree, but some documents are not built from structured data. Contracts, NDAs, data processing agreements. In this video, I will show you how to create professional project documents using document templates with variables, conditions, and automatic data filling. Create once, reuse in every project. When you create a project contract today, you probably open an old document, copy the text, and manually replace the company name, the project title, the date, the contact person. That works until you forget to update one spot, or until you leave in a clause that does not apply to this project at all. Document templates in Leadtime solve exactly this problem. You create a template once, with placeholders for all variable content. When you use it in a project, these placeholders are automatically filled with the correct data: company name, address, project name, contact person. Everything comes from the data you already maintain in Leadtime. A quick note on where this fits in. Estimates and specifications are generated automatically from the project tree. Document templates are the third document type. They use the custom editor and are designed for everything you want to write freely: contracts, supporting documents, agreements. You manage templates under administration, then document templates. Here you see a table overview of all templates with name, description, language, type, and timestamps for creation and last update. From here you can edit or delete existing templates or create a new one. I click Create Template. A dialog opens with three areas. On the left, you define the metadata, name of the template, an optional description, the language, and the type. Currently, the type project document is available. In the middle is the editor. This is where you write the actual document text. You can use headings, lists, tables, and all common formatting options. The key feature: you can insert variables into the text. On the right side of the dialog, you see a drop-down where you select a variable group. The available variables appear below, and you simply click the one you want. It gets inserted at the cursor position. Even faster, type the hash symbol directly in the editor, and a context menu opens with all available variables. The most important variable groups. Company contains your own business data like name, legal form, and address. Organization contains your customers' data. Project provides the project name, category, and version. Recipient contains the contact person's details. And under macros, you find helper variables like today's date or a gender-specific greeting. For our bakery Mueller example, I create a template called Project Contract. In the text, I write something like between, followed by the company name variable, represented by the current user's first and last name, and the organization company name, represented by the recipient's first and last name. The following contract is concluded for the project, followed by the project name variable. When you use this template in a project, all these placeholders are automatically filled with the correct values. Beyond the system variables, you can define your own custom variables. You do this in the right column under Custom Variables. You enter a name, a data type, and optionally a default value. For our project contract, I create two custom variables, one called runtime for the contract duration and one called advance payment as a yes or no selection for advance payment. The benefit: when you later create a document from this template in a project, these custom variables appear as form fields. You fill them in and the text updates automatically. No searching through the contract, no manual replacing. Now it gets really powerful. Conditions. You can define text blocks that only appear when a specific condition is met. Example: an advance payment clause should only appear in the contract if the custom variable advance payment has the value yes. you place the cursor at the desired position, select Condition from the menu, and define if advance payment equals yes, then show this text block. This means you only need a single template for different scenarios. Contract with advance payment, contract without. Contract with hosting clause, contract without. The system shows the matching sections and hides the ones that do not apply. No manual deleting, no risk of leaving a wrong clause in the document. Available condition types include is equal to, contains, is greater than, is less than, and is not empty. You can combine multiple conditions with NDA. One detail that is especially important for contracts: automatic heading numbering. Under the menu item Heading Style, you choose the style. 4 options. Headings without numbering. Sequential numbering from the first level, meaning 1, 1.1, 1.1.1. Sequential numbering from the second level, where the first level stays unnumbered. And paragraph numbering with the section sign starting from level 2. That last one is perfect for contracts and terms of service. Why does this matter? Because conditions can show and hide sections. If you number headings manually and a conditional section drops out, you suddenly have a gap. Section 3, then section 5. Automatic numbering calculates this correctly, no matter which sections are visible. Now I use the template in the project. I open the Bakery Mueller project, switch to the Documents tab, and click Create Document. I select the project version, document type, free document. I enter a title, Project Contract Website Relaunch Bakery Mueller. Status is set to draft. I select the contact person. For layout options, I can enable a table of contents and a title page. I choose the heading style again. For this contract, I pick the section sign numbering. Then I import my template. The custom variables appear as form fields. I enter 12 months for runtime. I set advance payment to yes. In the preview, I can see immediately all system variables are filled in. Company name, customer name, project, contact person, date. Everything is correct. The advance payment clause is visible because I set advance payment to yes. If I had chosen no, that section would not be in the document. I save and export as docs. Done. A professional project contract, automatically filled in just a few clicks. Document templates with variables and conditions. Create once, use in every project. System variables fill in automatically. Custom variables are controlled through form fields, and conditions make sure one template works for different scenarios. Together with the estimate and the specification, you now have 3 professional document types for your projects. In the next video, I will show you how to move from planning to execution, how to turn work packages into tickets and track your project's progress.